Want to repost on Instagram in 2025? Here's how in under a minute. Let's start it. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store or Google Play. Search for Instagram and tap Update if available. The repost feature only works on the latest updates in 2025. Next, open Instagram and scroll until you find the post you want to repost. This could be a photo, a reel. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with a friend who's always asking, how do I repost this?